This is AI Scope, your front row seat to the AI revolution. Every week we explore powerful AI tools, uncover hidden features, and see if they truly deliver. If you want smarter tools and smarter decisions, you're in the right place. What if you could turn text into cinematic video scenes almost instantly? That's the goal behind Luma Dream Machine, one of the newest AI video generators gaining attention. Developed by Luma AI, Dream Machine focuses on generating highly realistic video clips with smooth motion and cinematic quality. You simply type a description of the scene you want. For example, a slow motion shot of waves crashing on a glowing beach at night. Within moments, the AI generates a dynamic video clip based on that prompt. One of the biggest strengths of Dream Machine is motion realism. Many earlier AI video tools struggled with natural movement, but Dream Machine produces smoother animations and camera motion. This makes the videos feel more like real footage rather than simple animations. Another interesting feature is the speed. The system is designed to generate videos quickly, allowing creators to experiment with different prompts and visual ideas. For content creators, this could become a powerful creative tool. Instead of searching through stock footage or filming scenes manually, creators can generate unique visuals tailored exactly to their project. Imagine creating backgrounds for YouTube videos, visual stories for social media, or experimental cinematic scenes in minutes. Of course, like most AI tools, it still has limitations. Some scenes may contain small inconsistencies, and complex interactions can still challenge the AI, but the progress in AI-generated video is happening incredibly fast. Tools like Dream Machine suggest that the future of video production may rely much more on imagination and prompting, rather than cameras and filming equipment.